Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatum min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into one of the most profound and powerful chapters of the Quran, Surah Al-Ikhlas. Though it's just 4 short verses, its meaning encapsulates the very essence of Islamic belief, the oneness of Allah. In this video, we will explore the rich commentary behind these verses, shedding light on their theological significance, how they shape our understanding of God, and their role in strengthening our faith. So, whether you are new to this or looking to deepen your knowledge, stay tuned for a detailed exploration of the core principles of Islam that this surah beautifully encapsulates. Surah Al-Ikhlas is a declaration of the oneness of Allah, Tawheed. It encapsulates the central theological concept of Islam, the absolute, indivisible oneness of God. It is considered one of the most important chapters in the Quran because it directly addresses the nature of God. Surah Al-Ikhlas refutes all forms of polytheism, including the notion that God has any partners, offspring, or associates. The verse say, He is Allah, who is one, declares the fundamental Islamic concept of monotheism, that is Tawheed. God is unique in every sense, and no comparison can be made with Him. This negates both the Trinitarian concept of Christianity and the multiplicity of deities in other polytheistic beliefs. Allah, the eternal refuge. Maududi explains that God is absolutely independent, needing no support or assistance from anyone or anything. The verse highlights God's self-sufficiency. He is not in need of creation, and creation is entirely dependent on Him. This attribute of being As-Samad, the eternal, the self-sufficient, stresses that God is the ultimate source of sustenance and the refuge of all. Surah Al-Ikhlas negates any anthropomorphic or corporeal understanding of God. The verse does not allow any form of representation of God in human or physical form, thereby rejecting any idealization or imagination of God's essence. This is crucial for maintaining the purity of monotheism in Islam. The surah also reflects the eternal and unchanging nature of Allah. Unlike human beings or other creatures that are bound by time and change, Allah is above time and remains constant in His attributes. This verse serves to affirm the divine transcendence over all creation. In conclusion, Maulana Maududi emphasizes that Surah Al-Ikhlas serves as the bedrock of Islamic theology, encapsulating the purity of Tawheed and rejecting all forms of idolatry, anthropomorphism, and polytheism. Jazakallah khair. In conclusion, Maulana Maududi emphasizes that Surah Al-Ikhlas serves as the bedrock of Islamic theology, encapsulating the purity of Tawheed and rejecting all forms of idolatry, anthropomorphism, and polytheism.